As an experienced grower, you want to provide your crop with primary nutrients, right?
The Because plant nutrition range was specifically developed for the experienced grower. Because basic nutrients can be used during the whole growth cycle, and the contents are especially based on which substrate is used.
The Because product range contains plant nutrition Soil A and Soil B for growing on soil, Cocoa A and B for growing on cocoa, and Hydro A and B for hydroculture.
Cocoa peat is naturally very poor in calcium. Therefore, it is important that Cocoa A contains enough calcium. In hydroculture, a higher dose of nutrients is used. This is the main reason for a higher concentration of nutrients. Because hydro rocks ensure a very good drainage, there is less time to absorb the nutrition. That's why Because Hydro A and B are more concentrated. For a culture on soil, there is Soil A and B. Soil A contains 3% calcium, so it can be used on calcium-poor soils.
But Angela, why do the Because nutrients consist of two parts?
Some nutrients can react with other nutrients in high concentrations, like calcium can react with phosphorus. Because of this, most basic nutrients are packaged separately. It's similar when you want to drink Coca-Cola and take a Mentos. You shouldn't do that at the same time. The only exception is Because one component, especially developed for cultivating on calcareous soils and substrates. Calcareous soil naturally contains calcium. For this reason, it doesn't contain any calcium that can react with a phosphorus, so it can be packaged in one bottle.
Each Because product is developed to get a maximum yield and sweet fruits. Try it yourself and join the ATAMI universe.